How to change background in Zoom app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's open up the Zoom application on the device. Now you must log into your account via your Gmail or Google account. Then what you need to do is just go to your meeting and then tap on start a meeting. So after that, connected. Now what you need to do is you can just tap on the screen and you'll be able to see different menus at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on the more section by scrolling or by just swiping up. Now tap on more, and here you can see you have no options of background or changing background option. So we're just going to tap on see on meeting settings, and even here you can see no option to change the background. So in this version, there is no option to change the background. So let's go and check for the updates available for the application. So just go to the Play Store application. Now, as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version. So it means that we do not have the option to change the background in Zoom app for now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.